I don't know what part is this because I'm videoing a while ago and it suddenly stopped. I think I did not start it. So that is the mother dog and these two are siblings. This is female and that brown is male. So you might think that why is that white female dog bigger than the male? Actually, that female white dog, when they are small, our neighbor decided to get her and to get her and own her. So we decided to give her that dog for free. Actually, here in our barangay, doing that is free. It is free because when that female dog will have a child, then we can every time she bore a child, and they will grow and her child are already ready to be separated from their mother. Then that's the time that we are getting I think one or two of her of her offspring or of her child. Every time she bore a child, a dog child, then we have a right, or it's normal for us to go and get at least one or two of her child. This is here. That's why we give the dog for free. Then when they will have a child, then we are getting, every time they will get a child, then we normally get the original owner. The original owner get most of the time at least one or two of her child. That is our culture here. But of course there are some people, because of money, something like that. But that's what we are originally doing here, and up until now that's most of us are doing here. So that white dog, female dog, the owner of that, our neighbor, is feeding her a dog food. You know, a dog food, those commercialized dog food. That's why that white dog has a body like that. And of course, so you might have asked me, why don't you feed all your dogs also on the commercialized dog food or dog foods? Actually, first of all, we don't have money to buy those commercialized dog foods for animals. Then secondly, it's in our tradition that here in our municipality and region, we are dog meat eater lover. We love eating dogs. But for me, in our family, I think I'm the only one, or I think three or two of us brothers, we don't like eating the meat of dogs and the soup of a dog meat, because it makes our blood high, something like that. And seems like it's connected. We can feel it. We can feel that their meat and soup is something like eating I don't know, because it seems like they are much more related to human body, something like that. That's why we hate eating dogs. So of course, when you feed the dog with dog food or commercialized dog food, then the the dog will have will be healthy, but it is not for food already. We can't eat the dog because it is there are many medicines in her body, in which when we eat their meat, then there's a tendency that we will have a sickness or we will die, something like that. That's why we don't eat those dogs that are being fed by commercialized dog foods or dog foods that are being bought in the grocery stores or market. And of course, those we only eat the dog here that we know they are what do you call that? They are native dogs. Yeah, the native dogs. We only eat native dogs. So my family always prefer to have native dogs, and we feed them only with what we have, our leftovers. That's it. So guys, it's already turning nearly 8 minutes because it is already 7 minutes and 43 seconds. So I think I'll end here and make I think last video. Yeah, I'll record another video and that would be the last video. So guys, stay tuned and God bless. We are now here.